Now, it's important to understand that the latest that we're getting is the fact that the car was parked inside the Al Falah University till the 30th of October. Now, on the latest that we're tracking, the NIA has tightened its news on terror network among doctors. Investigation has reached 6 states, including Jammu and Kashmir. Investigation is continuing in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, and Jammu and Kashmir. Now, NIA teams are conducting raids continuously, is what we're being told at this hour. Now, going back to my colleague Anushka on this, Anushka, we're being told that, of course, investigation is happening in full swing. The NIA has, in fact, expanded its investigation across 6 states. What is the latest that we're getting? Where exactly has the investigation reached?
That's right, Reed. NIA DG is personally handling this case. He's right now at Srinagar, at the key area where all of those suspects, more than 15 people who have been detained and arrested in this case, are being questioned. The NIA is trying to piece together how deeper this conspiracy spreads and how 6 states were in fact involved, where all these people were planning for a massive, conspiracy. We are seeing that in these states comes Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, also Jammu Kashmir and Punjab are a part of investigation. The NIA is conducting multiple raids across these six states so that they could gain deeper insight into how this whole conspiracy was being planned. We are at the Al Falah University where the NIA team had come to question and also try to in fact gather more information about what the profiles of all those people who are from this university looks like. And also we are seeing dozens of doctors are on the agency's radar. A large number of doctors were allegedly radicalized by being added to various social media groups. Also, more than 15 people have been detained in this case. In addition, several more doctors and staff members from Al Falah University are under scrutiny. Investigators suspect that the explosives used in the Red Fort car blast was TATP, which is a very highly unstable, explosive. Also, we are seeing that currently raids are also underway. Continuous raids are being done across 6 states, including Jammu Kashmir. Probes are underway in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, and Jammu and Kashmir. So this is a whole case that in fact spans from 6 states in India, where we are seeing that raids are in fact being continuing, and also the investigating teams are detaining and questioning more and more people who are linked to this case. Over to you.
Right, absolutely, Anushka. In fact, the investigation, like you mentioned, is in full swings. Now, of course, it's important to understand that 6 states are places where investigations are being carried out. People are being detained, like my colleague was just mentioning. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us.